Welcome back to my channel Wealth Concept 365. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for daily cyber tips. Thinking of starting a career in cybersecurity, but not sure where to begin? In this video, I'll show you the exact certificate roadmap to follow from total beginner to expert. Every 39 seconds, there's a new attack. Learn basic IT with CompTIA ITF Plus or a no experience. Covers threats, vulnerabilities, access control, and cryptography. These will teach you computer hardware, OS, and networks. That's why certified professionals are in high demand worldwide and well paid too. Consulting and compliance positions. Stick around till the end for trusted online institutions that offer these certs. Cybersecurity isn't just trending, it's critical. Phase 1. Foundation beginner level. Number to hack the box. These platforms offer trusted, recognized training. Coursera Google Cybersecurity Certificate. CompTIA Cert Master. TryHackMe Hands-on Labs. Udemy Search. Security Plus. CEH. CISSP. Cybrary. Free and premium courses. Phase 2. Core security skills. Move to CompTIA Security Plus, the gold standard for beginners. Phase 3. Practical training. Practice real-world skills on platforms like Number 1 TryHackMe. Phase 4. Specialization for ethical hacking. CEH Certified Ethical Hacker for blue team roles. CYSA Plus. Microsoft SC200 Cloud Focus. Combine theory with hands-on labs. After your first certification, update your resume and LinkedIn and apply for entry-level roles like Security Analyst or SOC Tier 1. TryHackMe Certified Security. Specialty. Comment below what level you're starting from and subscribe for more cybersecurity career guides. Phase 5. Advanced certification. Go big with CISSP or CISM required for senior roles. Great for leadership. You don't need a degree to get started. Start slow, stay consistent. Smash that like button if you learned something new.